Good afternoon, traders. This is Raksha from Absolute Analytics. So, right now I'm in the P side of Nifty. A very quick recap of what exactly is the strategy here. So, yesterday in my video, I already told you that kind of a W pattern was going on, and if that is the case, and if the price is coming down, it will be testing 26 630 to 660, this range here. But it did give a good buy side run, but at this point only I said max to max, this is the first price, first set of target and the resistance. It has to breach this range of 25 630 to 660, take a retest and then go to complete and finish the targets of this pattern of W. Otherwise, I was much more prominent for the prices to come back to the level of 25 430, and today it did that. From here I took a shot for a call because my risk was very 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 minimal. This was the line of 25 430 was the risk, the low it made, and it gave a few points above, but not as per the targets possible. So I've hedged my position for the sell here, and as it has breached the support and is retesting it as a resistance here, so now I'm at present in the PE call for the Nifty, and the targets which I'm expecting here for the downside is at least 25 360 as the first target here for the downside. There is a small resistance, as you can see the dotted line here, this green one, this the where this just follow my cursor. So this is the weekly parallel channels line here, and price is little bit taking a support here, but I don't think so. It will be sustaining more than a few more minutes as of now. And exit point for this is very similar. It's when the price is going back again above 25 430. I'll be exiting my trade for the sell. So downside targets is 25 360, and the other targets are 25 320 around, and then as low as 25 260. So these are the downside targets here. Also, one more stock I would like to share here would be the Hindu Unilever. I'll just go for the 4 hours here. So there's an inverted head and shoulder pattern here. Almost it has finished that. But if I switch on the volume here, volume wise it looks a valid one. It has reached the neckline, but if you see there is no proper volume supported breakout yet, so it is not validated. So at least in 1 hour time frame, the price is, it has tested but it has not taken it as a support, so price it has to again close above this line almost. Oh, just 1 second. Almost above this zone here. So the price breaking up 25, 24, 28, like 2004 28. If the price is breaking up and taking a support, then it will be validated. The SL will be 24 28 rupees down here, or price if closing below the neckline would be the stop loss for Hindu Unilever. So that is all for today's analysis. Trade safe and have wonderful profits.